Hello, welcome to another video of Master Investor. My name is Jose. I'm the founder of the company. Make sure you subscribe to our channels on YouTube, on Instagram, and any other social media platform that is out there. You'll be able to find us. If you want to change your life financially, then this video is for you. Our community is going to help you understand the new rules of money and how to build cash flow through sound investing. It's all about focusing on building our asset column with real assets that we control. I want to invite you to read our ebooks, The 10 New Rules of Money, and How to Build Cash Flow with the Internet, Turn Passive Income On. Both of these ebooks are available on Amazon. However, I recommend that you go straight to our website, www.masterinvestor.education, to get the ebooks, because within the ebook you'll find more assets that will help you create passive income. It's going to take you to new levels when it comes to money, business, and investing. Our ebooks are catered for entrepreneurs and inside investors, those who wish to create total freedom and true wealth. Our mission here at Master Investor is to elevate the financial well-being of humanity through high-quality financial education, made simple with lucrative opportunities to build passive income and true wealth. I want to remind you that there are three types of income that exist today. Earned income, or ordinary income, which comes from a job. Majority of people will spend their entire life working at a job making this type of income without knowing that other type of income exists that they can make and focus on. Earned income is the hardest type of income to build wealth because it's taxed at the highest bracket, and the person has to show up, exchange their time, which is the most valuable asset we all have. Our time is priceless, and they're selling their time for a paycheck. And it's very difficult to create any sort of wealth and freedom by working hard for money. The second type of income is capital gains income, which comes from the transaction when we purchase something at a certain price and we sell it at a higher price. Those gains are called capital gains income. And it depends on which asset class you're getting those gains. There are certain exceptions where you can minimize taxes and defer taxes by utilizing the laws, the corporate laws, and the tax code. For example, in real estate, when we have a property and we sell it for a higher price than we purchase it, those gains can be rolled over into a bigger asset in a certain amount of time that the law tells us to defer taxes. We can actually minimize taxes, don't pay taxes on those gains. However, we keep those gains and we don't reinvest that into a bigger asset, then we have to pay taxes. Okay. However, capital gains are taxed at a lower bracket than earned income or ordinary income. And then the third type of income is passive income. And passive income is what we focus on here, because rule number one of our community is that we focus on building passive income and making money work hard for us. Passive income is taxed at the lowest bracket of all incomes. We can actually pay zero in taxes legally, not only by using debt, because debt is tax-free due to the fact that money is created with debt. So debt, right from the back, right from the beginning, once we use debt, credit card, any type of debt, where there is a loan, we are tax-free on that end. And if we use that debt to invest, to acquire an asset that produces passive income, then we're not only having tax-free because we're using the debt, but we also, with passive income, we can minimize taxes and we can be a tax-free entity on our wealth. That's why you hear a lot of people that are financially uneducated talk about the wealthy, they don't pay taxes. No, the fact is that we know how to utilize the law legally to minimize taxes. Okay, the tax code is a package of incentives for a wealthy entrepreneur, for the wealthy mindset, for the one that knows how to utilize the laws, and the inside investor. Okay, they are in favor to us, not the employees and self-employees. those are the type of people that pay the highest in taxes because they exchange time for money. They get a paycheck or salary. So understanding what type of income we are going to get before we invest is critical. So you have to ask yourself this question before you invest. Am I getting capital gains income or am I getting passive income? Those are the two types of income that we can get from investing. And from there, we need to measure return on investment with facts instead of opinions. Okay, so we do that by reading the financial statement, because inside of each financial statement tells us the real story of that business. If it's a toxic business, how is it doing? How is it managing the money? What are the liabilities? What are the assets? What type of income is coming in every single day? And also, what are the expenses? And we always say here in South Our community, it's not about shrinking, it's about expanding. So it's not about living below our means, it's about living above our means and ensuring that we are compounding more assets into our asset column. And every business that we acquire, that business has an asset column too. And we need to add more assets and expand that business. And also keeping in mind that that business will buy other assets in the future for us, right? So our businesses will buy more businesses that will make us more wealthy. So when we want to have something that is luxury, or and we want to have a certain experience that costs money, then all we have to do is focus on acquiring an asset that will pay for that experience. And it's free ultimately, because the asset is making us the money, it's making us the income for us without having to work. It's about using leverage, having control, and having the 3 E's of a master investor: financial education, experience, and excess of cash flow. I hope that this video has been valuable to you. Make sure you go to our website, get our ebook, find the link somewhere on this video, down below or somewhere, and get our ebooks, the 10-year rules of money and how to build cash flow with the internet, turn passive income on. It's going to change your life forever financially. And also stay tuned, because we have 3 more ebooks coming out in the next 3 months. And if you need any other service regarding business or investing, then head over to our website. We have other options. If you need a business plan, if you need a marketing plan, if you need to do any Zoom one-on-one consultation, then we have our team available for you, and we can work to build your asset column and help you understand how to take control over your finances, bringing you the good and bad news of money, the business principles that work in all economies. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed this beautiful view. Right behind me, that's Miami Beach. If you want to learn how to live on the beaches of the world, how to live the life that you want, how to be in the penthouse that you always dream of, then read our ebooks, get inside of our community, and start investing in yourself. Self-development and financial education. Bye for now. Stay great and wealthy.